Web 3.0, also known as the semantic web, is the next stage of the Internet that aims to understand and interpret user data to deliver more personalized and relevant experiences. However, it's important to note that the use of cookies in the context of Web 3.0 is much more complex than the traditional cookie tracking we're accustomed to with Web 2. This is due to increased emphasis on privacy and the use of decentralized networks like blockchain technology. Here are 5 basic steps you might take to learn about and experiment with using cookies in the context of Web 3.0. Understand the basics. 1 minute start by getting a firm understanding of what cookies. They're small files that websites place on your device to remember your behavior and preferences. In Web 3.0, though, privacy concerns and changes in technology may alter how cookies are used, or possibly even make them obsolete. Learn about privacy and regulation. 1 minute privacy is a huge part of Web 3.0. Educate yourself about current and upcoming digital privacy laws and regulations, such as the GDPR in Europe or the CCPA in California. You'll also want to study how decentralized networks can protect user privacy while still delivering personalized experience. Study decentralized networks and blockchain. 1 minute. Much of Web 3.0 is built on decentralized networks and blockchain. These technologies create a more private and secure internet, but they also present new challenges for tracking and personalization. Understanding how these networks operate is crucial for navigating the world of Web 3.0. Explore Web 3.0 technologies. 1 minute. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to get find websites or platforms that use Web 3.0 technology and see how they handle tracking and Note that many traditional cookie practices may not apply. For instance, some Web 3.0 technologies might use blockchain identifiers or decentralized identifiers, DIDs, to provide personalized experiences instead of traditional cookies. Experiment and learn. 1 minute. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try creating your own website or platform that uses Web 3.0 technology. Learn how to use smart contracts, DIDs, or other Web 3.0 personalization tools. Like anything, the more you practice, the better you'll understand. Remember, we're still in the early stages of Web 3.0, and many things are still being. The role cookies play could change dramatically, or they could be replaced entirely with new technology. The key is to stay informed and continue learning as things evolve.